Welcome to this video. How can a simple 2D SketchUp drawing be transformed into a stunning 3D parametric wall panel and then instantly turned into a CNC-ready manufacturing file? In this video, I will introduce the Cutlisttools Pro Suite plugin, which manages the entire design and production process from start to finish. What are the main features? Peaks and valleys, true 3D relief. Draw waves on a flat surface and decide which parts should rise, shown as black lines in the drawing, and which parts should sink, shown as blue lines. The plugin generates a beautiful, organic 3D surface from this layout. Full parametric control. Set the starting and ending heights as well as the widths of both the raised and recessed areas. The generation direction is also fully customizable, left to right to left, or zigzag mode. Dynamic Resolution Advisor. No more SketchUp freezing. Based on the entered dimensions, the smart algorithm calculates and recommends the ideal mesh resolution in real time. Built-in CNC slicer. With a single click, you can slice the finished 3D model along the X, Y, or Z axes. The program automatically lays the generated ribs flat on the ground and numbers them for you. Optimize DXF export. Save the flattened parts for your CNC machine with one click. The built-in engine analyzes the many small segments generated during slicing and merges them into one continuous polyline. The huge advantage of this is that the CNC machine won't unnecessarily lift the cutting head. The toolpath remains continuous. Since these organic shapes consist of tiny straight lines due to SketchUp's geometry, simply open the resulting optimized DXF file in your favorite CAM software like VCarve, Aspire, or UCamCam. Use the built-in curve fitting tool, ArcFit, to convert them into perfectly smooth, machine-friendly arcs with a single click for flawless cutting results. Modern user experience. A clean HTML interface and elegant slide-in notifications make the workflow smooth and enjoyable. After downloading the extension, you have the opportunity to learn how to use it completely free of charge through the trial version. If you like it and want to unlock unlimited use, after a one-time PayPal payment, our system will automatically display your activation code. With the lifetime license, all future updates will remain available to you, and the extension does not require an active internet connection to work. If you find this plugin useful, please take a look at the other SketchUp extensions available at cutlisttools.com.